Before this video gets started, I would like to know from you guys, would you let your complete beginner friend ride your bike and let him learn on it? And the second thing is, please make sure to subscribe and like, and let this video begin. I don't have anything. Because of you, I chose to record in 4K and 24.
Nice.
So now you tell me something. What do you do?
What I do for my format?
No, just, about your person. What do you do for a living?
I'm an actor, singer, songwriter, director, producer, entrepreneur, Instagram model.
Fancy.
No, I'm an actor from Germany, here in Los Angeles.
Where are you from, Germany?
I'm from Hamburg in Germany.
Nice, that's a beautiful
North
city.
Of Germany. It is a beautiful city. Yes.
All right.
And we've known each other for a couple years now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Since since I came to the United States,
yeah.
And you was already here.
Yeah.
All right.
I was already here.
Thank you, Hermes. Phil?
Actor, singer, songwriter.
I'm a cinematographer and visual effects artist, but I want to become a YouTuber actually.
Okay.
So I can create my own content. Right now, I'm from Germany too.
Which city?
Düsseldorf, but I lived in Berlin a couple of years.
So you're from my hometown.
Yeah, Friedrichshain.
Yeah, let's go.
What else? I just got this pizza from the gas station.
How is it? How's the quality for like a quick pizza?
Surprisingly, it's very bad. I just assumed it's going to be pretty bad, but it's very bad. But I got those shades as well. It's like pretty cool, huh?
They look fancy, huh? They match with your hat a little bit.
$8.
Pretty shady. That was a flat German joke.
Thank you for the interview.
What's the plan for today?
That's you tell me.
All right. So I was thinking we take some nice shots with the drones. I would say.
I was like, well, shit, I forgot my drone, but I have it in my bag.
There you go. I was going to say, you know what? Go home, get it. And we'll see. I mean, sometimes, if you try to plan it out, it doesn't work out. Sometimes you just let go with the flow. So let's see. Get some good shots. Have
That's
some fun.
That's what Buddha used to say.
Yeah.
Butter.
I was thinking maybe something like, teach you how to ride a bike. How do you feel about that?
I've never ridden a bike before.
You get to ride a Harley.
Yeah, we saw
True story.
Yeah, we saw you last time in action. Brad Pitt, Tom Cruise, riding in your cinematic scene.
Best moment of my life.
Until now.
All right, guys. So let's wrap it up here, and then we're gonna
use the bathroom. It was being cleaned.
Yes. So the next time we have to use a bathroom, it's gonna be in the wild nature.
Nice, finally.
So after we arrived in Santa Paula,
I let my friend learn on my motorcycle. So let's see how that all looks like.
All right, so I'm gonna teach my friend the basics. He's gonna just, roll in this little area here. It's probably just like a few feet. So let's start with the basics. So right grip is the brake, front brake.
Whose hair is this?
Oh, I have no idea.
It can't be my hair.
Can't be mine. Brake lever.
Right.
You use it only not as a main brake because it's very harsh and sharp. It's only for like emergency combination with the rear brake. This is the throttle. It gives gas. Clutch. So you let it come very slowly. In the beginning, just to roll off. You're not gonna use a lot of gas throttle because you're just like getting started. Down below is the clutch. You put the first gear in, you push it down, and then any other gear you go up and up and up and up. Between the first and the second gear, if you push it like just a little tiny bit, that's the neutral. That's like but you get a feel for it once you start riding.
It doesn't show anywhere which gear you're in, or does it here?
It will show you in which gear you will be. All right, this is the ignition. Keyless, obviously. I mean, it's not obvious, but and this is where you fire up the bike. So right now, it's a neutral. As a beginner, I will always recommend don't mess around. Just do it in neutral, and you'll be safe. That way, you do it like step by step without like doing too much. So start the bike up. All right, straighten the bike up. Balance your legs. Kick send off. All right. So first thing, remember what was it? Clutch. So first thing, put the clutch in, the gear. Let it slowly come. And if the bike is gonna fall down or something, make sure to not, if it's too late, don't try to catch up with your bike because you will break your leg. Nice. So just let it fall down because it's slow. It will just be ugly and you can just pay for it. That's fine. Just kidding. So make sure there's a balance. Don't do any harsh. Just let it slowly come. Just see it as a girl. Treat it really gentle. Slowly. Come slowly. All right. Motorcycle safety course. It's about $150 and they do everything for beginners, like you never touched the bike. Yeah. So they will tell you how to turn it on and how to balance, how to steer, everything. It's the best experience you can get as a new. Even for me it was good. Even
like 3 days or something, right?
2.5 days. Half day in the evening school and then the weekend you drive and the last day you do the test. Yeah. And then you get your license. It's not like in Germany you have to do like a whole degree. To get the motorcycle license. It's very easy. Just let the clutch come.
Are you sure it's not gonna come?
Just let it come quickly. Really? Yeah. Let it go. Just let it go. Let it go.
Abgewürgt.
Officially stalled the bike.
Handicap. Fast and Furious 9.
So what do you guys think? Did I explain it pretty well to him? I mean, he never touched a bike in his life other than last time.
It's like a woman.
He was a virgin.
One thing off the check mark.
Yeah. Checklist. To-do list before you die.
the final moment has arrived, so let's see if he's able to ride that bike off the lot. So let's take a look at it.
Aramis macht das schon richtig gut, du.
In einem Tag Motorradfahren gelernt.
Make sure to thank you guys for watching and tuning in. So make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and I'll catch you on the next one.